Well, welcome to this video here. I'm going to do a demonstration on another one of Too Tall Toby's drawings. This is going to have this tetrahedron, triangular shape spearhead on his drawing 240608. And starting off with this tetrahedron here. So fairly easy once you know the steps involved. So let me get started here in Alibre on the ZX plane. I'll start a sketch and we'll go to the polygon tool and key in 3 sides and just drag that out, apply and close. Then on this line here we'll make this horizontal and dimension this to 90, and that gives us a completed sketch there. One thing we need to do here though is go up to our ribbon and do an insert point from sketch, and we'll grab this end point here and apply and close that, and then we're done with this sketch. Next thing we're going to do is going to put a plane in here from the central axis to this point. So we'll go in here and insert a plane, grab our axis and our point and apply that, and we're done. Then on this new plane, we're going to insert a new sketch, and we'll just grab a line and go from the origin, go vertical, and then back down, and we'll make this endpoint coincident to our point on the new plane there. And we're going to dimension this diagonal line to be equal to D1. And then on the end up here, we're going to insert another point, grab this end node, apply, and now we have a point there. Now we should be able to go up here and do a loft to that point, and we're done. And now if you check your sides, this edge is a little bit 93. One thing we need to make sure though on your loft, make sure you do not have any tangency options in here. Turn off your twist minimization and do not have any tangency selections. And now our line on the edge is 90, and our surface area is 3507,403, 3507,403, 37,403. So everything works out just fine. Then it's a matter of just doing your vertical pattern and completing the drawing. So now you just pattern that up 60 millimeters for 3 instances, and you're done. So hope this helps. Talk to you later.